Here's a video for people traveling south on I-79 to the National Cemetery of the Alleghenies. Here we are in 79 South. We just passed the Bridgeville interchange. And as we head up the hill here, we see some additional signs, one for the airport and one for Morganza Road, 1 mile. So we move over into the right lane here. And as we get up to the exit for 576, which is basically the road it's actually a Pennsylvania Turnpike road, toll road, that takes you from here up to Pittsburgh International Airport. There's also a ramp that takes us off to Morganza Road, which we will then follow to get to the National Cemetery. So here are the signs: Pittsburgh International Airport, West 576, and Morganza Road. So we're on the exit ramp here, and as we proceed further, we see a split in the ramp up ahead. Going right would take you up the toll road to the airport, and staying here to the left takes us to Morganza Road. So we'll stay on around here. Here's the split, Morganza Road and the National Cemetery. These ramps were opened after the main part of the 576 to the airport. Here we see some of the major excavation work they did to create this road. So this loops us back around and underneath Interstate 79. A lot of concrete to build what my father-in-law used to call a super slab. Okay, speed limit decreases. We're gonna get over here in the left lane. Morganza Road, left lane. And you can actually get back on Interstate 79 north toward Pittsburgh if you made a wrong turn, I guess. So here's the split coming up. We're going to stay left. And this will bring us down to a traffic light. Stay in the left lane. Right lane would take you toward Cannonsburg or McMurray. So here we are at Morganza Road. This used to be called Washington Pike, and at some point they renamed this end and maybe the whole road to Morganza Road. And here we see the ramp that takes other travelers either to the airport or onto Interstate 79 to go toward Pittsburgh. So up here on Morganza Road, they've actually added a roundabout. So here we are approaching the roundabout, and we want to go 3/4 of the way around this to go to the cemetery. Okay, so we proceed into the roundabout. Keep going around Okay, here it is. Morgan Road, National Cemetery, the Alleghenies. So we'll go up this way. We're crossing those exit ramps that we just came down. And as we continue on, the National Cemetery starts to come into view. This bridge actually crosses Interstate 79 itself, but we're going to turn right here, and this is the main entrance for the National Cemetery, the Alleghenies.